Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to disable live photos in iPhone permanently. Follow these easy steps to easily disable live photos in your iPhone permanently. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app, and once you are in your settings app, scroll down and search for camera. Now tap on camera, tap on preserve settings, and here scroll down. Here you'll find this live photo option. Just enable live photo option and preserve the live photo settings rather than automatically reset to live photo turn on. Once it's turned on, now go back to your iPhone camera and you have to disable live photos. And once you successfully turn off, relaunch your camera. And now on, whenever you open your camera app, you will see the live photo turn off. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.